go.
Yes! Woo! Yeah, boy! What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, so we got a bunch of tornado warnings here, and I'm on the highway, and yeah, take a look out the window. This is fucking crazy. Holy shit. Oh fuck. You hear my car getting pelted and crap by... Oh crap, I'm in the wrong spot. So how come the thing I'm worried about the most is my car? Not death. Wow, there's a lot of debris. This sucks. Holy crap. Look at that. That's fucking crazy. A tree fell in the highway. Love you too.
Bye.
Bye. This is bad, guys. This is bad. Yo, this is crazy. Like, yeah, people pulled over. That's the other side of the highway. I don't know if you guys can see right over there, but let me see if I can get it. Yeah, you can't see anything out here. Oh, don't worry, we're good. Yeah, if this is my last vlog, I'm gonna miss you guys. The Genesis Coupe, I hope, makes it. Nah, in all seriousness though, if you're caught in this like I am, just be careful, things like that. And I know I probably shouldn't be vlogging right now, but we're not going anywhere. Like literally, the other side of the highway is going, we're sitting. Oh, just as I say that, you decide to move 2 feet. Okay, we're good. So, yeah. If you guys are new to the channel and I survived this, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. I'm trying to keep a brave face here. Yeah, just enjoy the videos. Check out my other videos and things like that. They're not as crazy as this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really actually scared. And I wanted to talk to somebody. So I'm talking to you guys. Damn, that tree is done. Ah, it's getting wet in here. Oh, whoa. Alright guys, anyway, so what you saw in the beginning of this video, I'm obviously sitting on the highway still. What you saw in the beginning of this video, the reason why I was like dancing and happy was because the timing on the Genesis Coupe block is finally done. So now I can continue putting everything else back together, and hopefully in the next couple weeks or so, we'll look to put the motor in the car. Hopefully there's no dents on the side of the car from, oh damn. Hopefully there's no dents on the side of the car from all this bullshit. But anyway, because you know I can pull the dents out. I've done it before. But yeah, so hopefully we can get the block in the car. When and if I get home, I'll show you the block again. I'm also, before I actually put the block in, I'm actually gonna test fit the ISR kit as far as the turbo, the manifold. I still have to clock that new turbo, so you know it ought to get interesting. So you know, just make sure to stay tuned. Again, if you're new to the channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of fun things coming up. And as far as the Genesis Coupe is concerned, as far as just I'm concerned in general, in a couple days is my birthday, and Lisa has a conference in Washington, so she's taking me to Washington. Oh, and she already told me my birthday present, which I cannot wait. Let's just say it involves supercars. Let that marinate. So, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm just, like I said, I'm still sitting in the same spot. The wind's kind of died down, but I'm assuming because we're not moving, possibly a tree fell on the highway or something. I'm assuming. So, we'll see. Alright guys, so we had a huge, oh shit, tree. So let me guess, we're not getting out of here for a while.
Oh, serious, no. It's literally like, you see it.
That's fucking crazy.
We need a fucking chainsaw.
Well, and it's even down there too. Like where that tree, there's another tree down, way down there.
Yeah.
Guys, this is nuts, and there was a lightning strike. Holy shit, boy. Yep. Bye, Felicia. I'm going back to my car. Holy shit. Yo, this is like, look at this. Wow. It's not good. And I'm looking at all the shit in front of the Genesis. Wow. I'm not getting home anytime soon. So now I'm directing traffic, telling everybody to basically turn here. Yeah, this is fun. I like being stuck in a tornado. Look at all that. Oh, I'm wet. No damage to the Genesis Coupe though. That's a tough car.
Just turn around though. I don't know. I mean, I ain't got no other options. It's either I'll wait, go get it. If you can bring a chainsaw,
damn.
Have to stick out of the way.
That dude is stuck in between two trees. Holy crap. That sucks.
I don't really know what.
The only time it's legal to drive the wrong way on the highway. Yeah, there's two trees down. You're not getting by there.
Yeah, the state workers will come. They'll get that shit out of there. How big are they?
They're all the way across, basically.
All the way?
Well, not completely all the way, but right across the,
Yeah, you don't think they'll move them? What's my best route? Reroute to 395 or some shit? I gotta go to Bridgeport. I gotta go to...
Alright guys, so, you know, I'm trying to help people out, get them turned around, things like that. There are, from what a firefighter just told me, there are 9 more trees that are also down. So I'm lucky about where I was, that I was able to use the emergency police lane to pull a Yui, and now I'm headed back that way. But as you can see, you've got that tree down right there, but that's not even the one that that I'm referring to. So this is great. That's right, guys. It's oh man, I've been driving home for about 2 hours. I live 25 minutes away from my job, and we got the popo. That sucks. Only thing that sucks more than being stuck in the car for 2 hours and there being a tornado, well, being stuck in the car for 2 hours and there being a tornado, and before you leave work drinking like 20 something ounces of water. Yes, that much water. I gotta pee, and it's raining. The rains was killing me. God damn it. Ridiculous. I'm almost home though. And then you'll see this video. Tear. Sorry, I couldn't wait till I got in the house. Wow. Yeah, I know. You guys didn't really need to see that. Hopefully you didn't see too much. But you could. Don't worry about it. Anyway. So yeah, let me go. Stay in there, Trixie. No, stay. You stay. You don't run away. Looks like I got a package in the mail. I wonder what it could be. Don't mind me, I didn't bring my tripod in here. Sorry. I'm just gonna put you right here. Oh, nope, that's not gonna work. Put you right there. I think, yeah, it's too dark. There, at least you can see the package. Knife right here. Where is this from? This is from 7 Phi Beyond Gil Namgu Busan, Korea. I know what this is. Oh my god, it's a pain in the ass. So I had to order something. It's not for me, it's for Josh. Because of course he wanted something else painted, so I ordered a whole new Sonata badge for him because the other one is obviously has sticky tape on it, so as soon as I remove them off, it's going to be a pain in the butt to put back on, so I figured ordered a new one and just paint that and then stick it on his car. Sonata. Not for me, I know, it's disappointing. So, I'm gonna, oh, that's right, I gotta show you guys, well, I'll show you guys the block anyway. Okay guys, so obviously, here's the block, there's your thing, Josh, and I just want to show you guys really quick. The reason why I was so excited is because obviously I've got the timing done. And what I did was I made sure to rotate the motor twice and get these two marks back to there, and they lined up perfectly where they're supposed to go, and that timing mark is obviously where it's supposed to go. Motor's all timed. Now we just gotta put everything else back on, back together, get it assembled, and then we're gonna set the beast loose. Yes. I also did say too that I will test fit the ISR Evo 9 Turbo Conversion Kit on this block, just to make sure everything fits. I do have to clock the turbo, and I have to, what else do I have to do? Really? Oh, I might need bolts, because I've heard, believe it or not, from SFR, that the kit didn't come with the bolts, which I've opened it and I haven't seen bolts, so I'm probably gonna have to get bolts for the turbo and things like that. So it is what it is. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you guys think about the block, about the Genesis Coupe being out in the middle of a hurricane, a tornado. All those trees. Hopefully everybody's okay. It sucks for that dude in the truck between the two trees, but that's nature. Global warming, Trump. Global warming. It's real. So again, let me know what you guys think about this video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, hit that like, and what am I thinking? Thank you guys for continuing to come back to watch. My channel's growing. It's because of you guys, and I want to thank you. We did hit 250 subscribers. Hopefully we multiply that by 100,000 or whatever subscribers. Got to keep this channel growing. so we can do more fun things, more cars, more tornadoes. No, I don't like tornadoes. So until next time, like I said, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.